This is a quickie. I just was riding my one wheel and I had to stop. Check this VW Cyclops Bus. Check it out, y'all. This is in Morro Bay. Looks like a cars and coffee meet, and I just had to stop because this thing is unique. Look at that. Completely restored with a Cyclops in there from a Chevy vehicle, they said. And it's just beautifully redone. Look at that steering wheel. Unbelievable. Dashboard. Clean. Super, super clean. And with the step side like that. Oh. Something you don't see all the time in this condition. Love it. Check out the engine. 2 carburetors right there. Isn't that a beauty? Totally clean. Love it, love it, love it. Just had to get this on tape for you all. Timeless. Great German engineering. Totally practical. Beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. Timeless piece. I wish there was more vehicles like this. The VW bug. Anyway, talk to you later from Morro Bay. Adios.